Sigue firme. Pregúntaselo a dañado mis manos. Si todavía aquí tengo tantos besos que me falta darte. A mi lado estoy olvidarte. No me canso de esperar.
Good afternoon mga maring! Nandito kami ngayon sa UPS store sa tapat kasi nagsasauli yung asawa ko ng in-order niya na hindi correct. Ganito dito kapag mag-order ka sa Amazon, kung mag-return ka ay pupunta ka dito sa UPS store. Kasama ko ang aking mga anak maring at si Sir ngayon. Today is Sunday. And natapos na si Sir sa kanyang mission. Ayan yung UPS store. Dito naman sa tapat maring ay nail salon. They open 7 days a week.
They Asian, bro. They making money. They ain't bad about no holidays.
Yeah, the nail salon is open 7 days a week.
Maybe Chinese New Year.
Probably.
They're probably closed.
We're there Vietnamese.
Well, whatever Vietnamese holiday there is.
Rolling Monkey. Oh, so that's an ice cream shop. And there's chicken and waffles, chicken salad chick.
Are they?
I think so.
Yeah,
No.
rolling monkey looks
Mhm.
summer. Looks like a summer tea.
Mhm.
Not a whole lot of traffic out here today. That is nice.
Because it's Sunday. Oh, I guess because people went vacation
Yeah,
For a
probably.
holiday.
Yeah, 4th of July went out.
because it's long holiday. I wish we go vacation. Nandito tayo ngayon maring sa mall. Ito yung mall nila maring dito sa small town. Hindi naman siya malaking city dito. So ayan yung mall nila. Ayan. Wala masyadong sasakyan ngayon maring oh. Wala masyadong tao. Ayan. Kasi long holiday dahil sa Independence Day, siguro yung mga tao nagbakasyon. Ayan. So ganito yung mall nila maring. Maliit lang siya. Kung makakasuroy ka na sa buong mall ng ilang minutes, 5 minutes, makikita mo lahat yung store. Pupunta kami dito sa shoe department dahil bibili kami ng sapatos ng mga bata para sa eskwela. Pasok tayo sa loob. Close?
Maybe they got these doors closed.
Oh, maybe the front.
Mom,
Mm.
you know why this mall is so big?
I don't know. They probably open at 1? What time is it? I think they open at 1. That's probably why.
Let's go look at the window and make sure they're going to be open.
Everything is closed. So, ito yung mall nila, maring. May dyan, jewelry store. May shoe store. Yeah, I think they open at 1. Ba? Everything is closed. Kung mag-stand ka dito sa gitna, maring makita mo na lahat ng store. Ayan na ang store. Yan na yung ending. 1?
It's open today, but it's open at 1.
Ah, okay. Tapos meron silang maliit na food court at store. So yan na. Ito na lahat maring. Yan. Isang circle lang siya, makita mo na lahat.
What time is it?
Ah. So balik tayo dito mamaya maring kasi close pa pala. Alauna sila mag-open until 6 p.m. lang dahil Sunday. Oh yeah, it's here, babe. 1 to 6 p.m.
Baby, the mall opens in about 5 minutes. We'll drive right back in.
You go inside.
Let's go to TJ Maxx first and see what kind of clothes they got.
I'm so hot.
So hot, girl.
Yeah, this is.
They're on clearance.
What degree is it?
Hmm?
What degree is it?
Papasok tayo sa TJ Maxx Maring. Titingin-tingin tayo ng mga damit. Okay, let's get inside. Close pa ang mall, kaya punta muna tayo dito sa TJ Maxx. Wow, lamig. Let's look for your clothes.
This is where we went before.
Yeah.
I'm in the teenager side.
Ang TJ Maxx Maring ay para din siyang Bells. Ano siya? Discount store. So, punta tayo dito. Ang dami dito magagandang damit. Where are the kids section? Baby. Oh, this one is the kids section. Kano bang ano nila? Ang ganda ng dress, Maring. $13 yung dress. Ang cute. Ang ganda.
Cute.
I know. Meron din silang mga tumblers. Wow. Tignan niyo, Maring. Ang ganda ng tumblers. Merong maliit na bag. Ayan. Ang cute ng bag. Eh, Lily. Don't touch it, babe. Why don't you get like the Christmas stuff? Why don't you buy it here? Like when you get Christmas stuff. They got bags. Oh, they got cute bags.
Oh, I should buy one.
Or get your pack bag.
I found it.
Are you getting them a school bag?
Lily.
Oh, right over there. Against the wall.
Oh, come here. Hanap tayo ng school bag nila, Maring. Sorry. Ang ganda ng mga bag. Look, Riley. It's so cute. It's cupcake. Magkano yung bag? $24 yung bag. You want that one? Which one you want?
This is one of those bags I want.
Meron din dito. Ang ganda. Meron pa. I think this one is best for you. Which one you like, Lily?
Can I have them?
Ano ba?
Can I have the pink one right there, up there?
You want that pink one? Get something that has a lot of pocket.
Girl, I don't need
This why you want, Lily?
Yeah.
Okay. How much is that? babe?
Pocket. No,
It's got a tumbler.
the pink one.
This?
Yeah. Mom, I don't need a lot of pockets. Okay? I'm not in high school.
Oh, check. How much is that, girl?
I will see the price.
There is no. Oh, 24. There. Are you sure that's? Where'd you get that purple? Right there.
I want the pink one. Like, what is this?
Good.
In front. Come here. Where are the kids? Kids' clothes. Oh, right there.
There's jeans. There's some jeans.
You need 6X. Size 6. Skirt.
Girl, stop pushing me.
He's got a tiny bag. You want this, Lily? It's got skirt.
Want this one?
That's cute. Nandito din pala ito, Maring. Nakita ko to sa Bells. $8. I'll go to the other side because this side is dress. These are all dress.
The matching outfits are over here.
Punta tayo sa matching outfit. Right here, size 6X. Oh, this one's got a pants. Oh, nara, cute. Damdamaring. This one 6. This one here. This guy. Okay, move. That's something, girl.
This is cute.
Right there.
But I'm matching.
What size? Size
14.
14. You got one. Is that short? Okay. Ito yung kinuha niya, Maring. Mga clothes. Matching set.
Can I go to the juniors?
Where's the junior?
And yeah, I don't know where's the juniors. Oh,
Remember, she's a 0 to 2.
You're 0 to 2, girl. It's extra small. Right there.
where?
The other side. So, nasa ano na siya, junior. Get a short and a shirt. Yeah, that won't fit you. It's all jeans, but
Yeah, the things.
here are your shirt, Riley. This one. Hmm? Damn. Oh, we'll get her shirt for now. Oh no, we'll get the bottom at Walmart because she needs leggings. They don't have leggings here.
We'll just get the 2 leggings.
Let me see.
Why do you have a phone?
They don't have the leggings. I don't know where the leggings.
We gotta go over here and find the moves for you.
Moves. This is size 10. So it's got a star. See?
Hey, was that gonna fit here?
It's size 10.
Yeah,
That's not my size.
but look how you dragging the floor.
It's shorts.
Dang, this is.
Ganda ng mga dress, Marie. Pa. $12. Ang madami pang ano, pang baby. Wala masyado pang ano, 14 size. This is size 12. But it's really long. This one, Ellie. Look. Isn't that cute?
Yeah, that's cute.
Hmm?
That's cute. This is so cute.
We'll get it next time. Where's Daddy? Tapos na kami sa TJ Maxx Maring. Ngayon naman pupunta tayo sa Rock Room Shoes. Dahil bibili tayo ng sapatos. Don't leave your drinks there, okay? Dito tayo. Here, Lorelei. Dito ay 50% off. Pero hindi naman siya. Ay, narabi oh. For kids.
Oh, I'll buy Nike so much.
What's your size? I think your size 3. Size 7, 6, 4. Try this one. This is size 1.5. What, look at your shoe. What size is that? Size 3.5. Let's go to the kids section.
Okay.
Next shoes here. Nandun yung mga pambata, Maring.
Papa Joe. Papa Joe.
Ito siya, ganda oh. Ano to? Size 12.5. You want the purple, Riley?
I want the pink.
I know. It's right here. Ito yung gusto niya, Maring. You don't like this one here?
I don't want the Nike. I want the Pumba.
You want the Pamba? It's Puma. It's Puma, baby. Oh, it's right here, Lily. This one, you don't need to tie it. Right here. Your size 2. Size 13.
I think I want the black Nike. The black Nike.
It's too tight. Dito ulit tayo sa mall, Maring, para kakain kami ng lunch dito. Kaso yung restaurant na binibilhan namin lagi ay close. Yung shoe store ay open na. Pero yung Bourbon Grill ay close. Diyan kami laging kumakain, Maring. Siguro under renovation. Siguro kasi last time may restaurant dito na nasunog. Siguro sila yun. So close sila. Ang open lang dito, Maring, ay yung Teriyaki Japan. Yung dalawa lang kasi yung dito restaurant sa loob ng mall. Ayan. So wala. Ayan yung menu nila, Maring. So may $10 a plate, $9, $11. Tapos meron silang bubble tea, milk tea. So meron silang hibachi chicken, wings. Ito yung store nila sa mall. May Bath and Body Works, Bells, at yan. So ito na lahat yung store nila, Maring. So dead end na yung sa Bells. At yung end naman doon ay Belk. So napakaliit lang talaga siya na mall. Ito naman Hibit. Ang mahal ng store na yan, Maring, si Hibit. Close here, Route 21. They close. Or they're gone. Get in. Oh, that's a big watermelon. Meron silang aquarium. Lily, don't touch the fish. kami ditong mango habanero. I-try natin. Ano kaya lasa nito?
Oh, my protect is so cute.
Dried mango. It's potato chips.
There you go, Lola. Now you're cool.
Oh, so it's that's what you get. You eat what I eat all the time. So it's a potato chips that is mango habanero flavor. Sarap siya maring. Maanghang lang siya, maanghang.
You like it?
It's good. It tastes like barbecue lace. Ito na yung nabili namin maring para sa kanilang pack bag. It's cute. It's nice. You have pocket for your coins. Tigtatatlong set sila ng damit maring. So, tatlo lang muna. Sa susunod na naman yung iba. Hindi pa namin nabili yung mga office. Mga school supplies. Sa susunod na lang yan. Ang ganda ng dress maring. Meron siyang maliit na bag. Lagyan ng snack. Yan, merong dress. Mostly doon sa mga damit pambata ay nakaset na siya. Kagaya nito may set. Tapos meron siyang hair clip na pataban. Yan. Ang ganda. Ganda ng dress mo rin pambata. T-shirt ni Madam. Yan. Look, kasya sa akin. It fits me, be.
No, you're not getting it. No, you're not wearing it. You're not having it.
At meron pa maring, ang ganda. Ito siya, set din siya. Tapos may, free na headband. Free? Yeah, that's
Free.
free. It's included in the set. So, siya, oh, this is yours? I didn't know it's yours. I thought it's Lily. Skirt siya na may t-shirt. At saka itong pants na may leggings.
You're so cute.
Ang ganda naman ito. Cute. Set din siya. May pants at saka may upper. So, when is your next school? At saka t-shirt ni Madam. Yung eskwela nila maring ay next month. So, hindi ko pa alam kung anong exact date. So, susunod na lang yung school supplies. Kasi mag-antay ako sa post ng mga teacher sa app. Ipopost nila yan sa app mga maring. Kung ano yung mga school supplies na kailangan. Ang ganda ng bag mga maring. Ang cute. Merong mga ganito. Ang dami talaga mga pambata. Yung bag naman ng elementary dito maring ay walang laman. Ang laman lang ng bag nila ay folder na pang-communicate sa teacher. So, wala silang libro na dinadala pag mag-eskwela sila.
So cute.
Sketchbook! Ang cute! Oh, it's kind of hard. Ang cute ng sketchbook. Pang drawing ng mga bata. Ayan, mag-drawing si Lily. Ito yung gagamitin niya mga maring. Ang ganda. Ito naman yung shoes na nabili. Ito maring. So, naka-sale ito doon kasi yung store ay may 50% off kapag bibili ka ng dalawa. May 50% off ka. So, ayan. Yung nabili nila. So, pang pang isang taon na sapatos. Whole school year na nila itong gagamitin. So, 3 piraso lang sila ng set ng damit kasi nga ay in 3 months, iba na naman yung season dito maring. Magiging fall na naman at saka lalamig na naman. So, ibang klaseng damit na naman yung bibilhin. Long sleeve na naman pang winter. Kaya hindi kami bumibili ng madami talaga. Yung season dito ay paiba-iba. So, iba-iba din yung susuotin. At yung mga bata ay ang bilis lang nilang lumaki. So, ayan mga maring. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video, sa aking vlog today. So, susunod na naman ng mga vlog. Bye!